the knifeless facelift
We're creating a tightening effect, which is going to give your face a nice structural lift.
that keeps on tightening after the procedure. All new on the Doctors.
If you hate the way your face is starting to droop, sag, or maybe wrinkle, believe me, you're not alone. Let's take a look at Selena's story.
What bothers me most about myself is my chin. I don't like my chin, so I'm very self-conscious of it. I always feel like when I'm out in the public, people are always looking at my chin instead of me. When I look in the mirror, I pull back my skin to try to see what I look like. And I like what I see, so I want to get something done about it. When I went to see Dr. Bassin, I explained to him I was very unhappy with my chin. I want to know if there's maybe something you can do that I don't have to go under the knife. That's something that's easy and quick.
Definitely have a nice jowl over here, and you definitely have some loose skin and fat in your chin area, and being that you don't want to have any cutting type of procedure, I definitely think you're a great candidate for a laser lift procedure, which does not require you to be cut on whatsoever.
Oh, okay, that sounds good. Oh, this looks so bad. I can't wait to get this taken care of. Get it all pulled back.
And let's see how Selena's knifeless facelift procedure went.
The patient is going to be awake during the procedure, which makes our patients feel a lot more comfortable that they actually come in here, not be put to sleep, and then drive themselves home. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a couple of little tiny injections, one under the chin and two underneath each ear. The next thing I'm going to do is actually going to put in a couple of these little tiny holes into the skin here. And these little tiny holes are going to seal up on their own, so we're not going to put any stitches in this at the end. I'm going to take this little tiny probe, I'm going to slide this under the skin, and it's going to squirt out numbing fluid. I'm going to start using my laser now. By putting laser energy in here, what we're actually doing is we're creating a tightening effect for it, which is going to give your face a nice structural lift. And it's going to also help to numb some of the fat. You don't have to worry about any scars, any sutures, any stitches. You're going to heal it beautifully and you're going to look perfect. And then that's going to be that.
We're here with cosmetic surgeon Dr. Roger Bassin from the Bassin Center for Plastic Surgery in Orlando, Florida. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For coming.
Thank you for having me.
And so Selena had this done how long ago?
Selena is 5 weeks to the day today.
Okay. Anyone anxious to see the new look?
Right here.
All right, we're gonna show you what Selena looked like before. And this is what Selena looks like now.
Come on out.
Come on, Selena. Hello, hello. Come on out.
How are you?
Hi.
Nice to see you. You sit right here.
I get to sit right
You're
here.
not really a patient anymore, but that's looking good.
Just 5 weeks.
Yeah.
And obviously she's still healing.
Yeah, she has still a little bit of healing to do. Actually, this will continue to improve. So she will actually continue to get some more tightening over the next 2 to 3 months.
And you brought the laser with you. You can
Yes.
show us how that works, how big it is?
This is Sonisher's LazerLift wand, and you can see it's about the size of a tip of a ballpoint pen. What we do is we slide the little LazerLift wand through a little tiny hole that we make in the skin, and we put the LazerLift wand in there, and it causes 3 main effects. The first effect is melting of some of the fat that lives between the skin and the muscle. The second effect is the laser energy into the SMAS, or that deep tissue that we typically suture in a surgical facelift. And then the last effect, when we turn that LazerLift wand and face it up underneath the surface of the skin, is to get skin tightening. Also, what's so unique about this is that we have real-time temperature feedback in the tip of this LazerLift wand, so we can prevent a burn. So
Because it's all about the heat. It's that heat
Absolutely.
that's getting shrinkage and causing more collagen elastin formation.
Absolutely.
And seeing you this close, you look really good. I'm gonna show everyone again your before and after, because and really in profile, I think, is when you see it most pronounced. And in the end, Selena, you're happy. That's what matters the most. Thanks for coming on the show, Dr. Bassin. Thank you as well
Good
for joining
stuff.
us.